In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a video from YouTube, Facebook, or your computer to hosting a website using the website builder. This process is straightforward and can be completed in just a few minutes, so let's get started. You bring your website to life with engaging video content. First, you'll need to access Hostinger's platform. Open up your web browser and head over to Hostinger's homepage. Once you're there, look for the login button located at the upper right corner of the page. Clicking on this will take you to the login screen. Go ahead and enter your credentials to access your account. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on your Hostinger's account homepage. The next step is to find the Websites tab in the dashboard. Click on it, which will display all the websites you currently manage with Hostinger. You need to identify and select the particular website you want to enhance with a video. Once you've identified it, look for the Edit Website button. It's typically found next to the website you've selected. Clicking on this button will launch the website builder, bringing you to your website's editing interface. Now that you're in the site editor, let's move towards adding your video. On the left hand side, you'll see a menu with various options. Look for the Add Elements button. This is your gateway to enhancing your website's features. Once there, scroll through the variety of elements. Keep an eye out for the video option. Clicking on video will prompt the tool to add a video placeholder where you want your video to be on the page. With the video element now on your page, you'll notice a small toolbar either above or below the video placeholder. It should include an edit video option. Click on this to bring up the settings for the video itself. You'll see a section named video link. This is crucial as this is where you'll paste the URL of your video. Whether it's from YouTube, Facebook, or a video file you've uploaded elsewhere, the link goes here. Make sure you grab the proper URL from the respective platform and simply paste it into the field provided. In just these few steps, you have successfully integrated a video into your site on Hostinger's website builder. Remember, adding videos can significantly enhance user experience by providing more engaging content. Make sure to preview your page to see how the video fits with your overall design. Don't hesitate to adjust its size or placement for an optimal layout. Congratulations on this creative enhancement to your web presence. Thank you for tuning in today. If you encountered any issues along the way, feel free to check Hostinger's support resources or leave your questions or feedback in the comments below.